Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening WPS spreadsheet and creating a new workbook. This is the only way to start working immediately. Once open, save as XLSX so Excel users can read your file. Make sure autosave is enabled to avoid lost work. Rename Sheet 1 to something descriptive and set column widths for anticipated data. You're not configuring every option, just enough to import or type data cleanly. After that, prepare a simple header row and format it as bold to separate labels from values. You now import or enter your data and transform it efficiently. If you have a CSV, use data from text/CSV, choose delimiter and encoding and preview. This prevents column shifts. Once data is present, apply functions like =sum, =VLOOKUP, and =IF to compute totals and match records. Drag the fill handle or use Ctrl+D to propagate formulas. Then format columns as number, currency, or date and add conditional formatting to spot outliers. Make sure to freeze top row so headers stay visible as you scroll. You finish by turning results into shareable output and validating everything. Insert a chart from Insert Chart, pick an appropriate type, and label axes for clarity. Export via Save As. XLSX for Excel users or CSV when only raw rows are needed. Before sending, open the file in Excel if possible to confirm layout and formulas. If something breaks, check cell formatting, ensure absolute references like $1 are correct, and verify named ranges. These quick checks solve most compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.